Tornado watch.
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 505, effective until 8 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Boone, Bureau, Carroll, Cook, Deschaux, DuPage, Grundy, Kane, Kendall, LaSalle, Lake, Lee, Livingston, Marshall, McHenry, Ogle, Stevenson, Whiteside, Will and Winnebago, and the following: Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, Wilmette Harbor to Northerly Island, Illinois, and Northerly Island to Calumet Harbor, Illinois, and the following counties in Wisconsin: Greene, Kenosha, Rock and Wallward, and Iowa. Remember, for the latest severe weather information are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. The warning remains. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Tornado watch.
Severe thunder.
Severe thunderstorm warning.
National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning. Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Rock Island County in northwestern Illinois, southwestern Whiteside County in northwestern Illinois, central Henry County in northwestern Illinois, central Scott County in east central Iowa until 2:45 p.m. At 2:06 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Bluegrass to Shale City, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Davenport, Moline, Rock Island, Northendorf, East Moline, Silvis, Geneseo, Eldridge, Kelowna, Milan, LeClaire, Coal Valley, Hampton, Orwin, Fort Byron, Davenport, Moline, Rock Island, Bettendorf, East Moline, Silvis, Geneseo, Eldridge, Kelowna, Milan, LeClaire, Coal Valley, Hampton, Orion, Fort Byron, Walcott, Erie, Bluegrass, Buffalo, and Andalusia. This includes the following highways: Interstate 74 in Iowa between mile markers 1 and 5. Interstate 80 in Iowa between mile markers 284 and 306. Interstate 80 in Illinois between mile markers 1 and 26. Interstate 74 in Illinois between mile markers 1 and 21. Interstate 88 between mile markers 1 and 18. Interstate 280 between mile markers 1 and 18. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for northwestern Illinois and east central Iowa. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.
Wow, guys.
This is NOAA Weather Radio, KZZ 50.
I'm getting the warnings already. I'm already getting the warnings. I just got home from school, too, and I'm already getting bombarded with alerts.
And Whiteside County.
This is on KZZ 55, by the way. These two are both on WXJ 73. I'll go ahead and...
9 p.m. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado.
Those are both on WXJ 73. Let's see here. What do we got going on? Okay, that one was the one that we just got. For Henry, Rock Island, Whiteside, and Scott. Wow, this is... I just got home, too. Literally just got home. Wait. Tornado possible... Wait. Oh. Continues tornado watch for Clinton, Jackson, Scott, Iowa, Bureau, Carroll, Henry, Joe Davies, Putnam, Rock Island, Stevenson, Whiteside, Illinois. Tornado possible. Another one. Looks like that one's not going off. Severe thunderstorm warning.
The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Warren County, McDonough County, eastern Mercer County, southwestern Henry County until 2:45 p.m. At 2:11 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Viola to near Industry, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail.
Nickel size.
Expect damage to roofs,
Smaller hail,
siding,
I guess.
and trees. Locations impacted include Macomb, Monmouth,
Macomb.
Toledo, Cambridge, Bushnell, Galva, Burgess.
You're garbage. It's Macomb. For God's sakes.
Woodhall, Matherhill, Kirkwood,
Amina,
Girard, Andover,
I'm so sorry.
Industry, Good Hope, and Prairie City. This includes Interstate 74 in Illinois between 22.
Mom, if you're watching this, I'm so sorry.
In effect PM for northwestern Illinois. Take cover now.
I mean, come on, man. Already. I literally just got home, too. I mean, there's the one we got not too long ago. We got this TOA, so I got home just in time. That's the one I think that's the one we just got. Well, there's one that just came in as well. Looks like this whole line is intensifying. I mean, I'm not even looking at radar, really. Wonder if I'll get an ASVRs. I haven't had one in like a month or so. Hang on. Alright. So I'm already getting bombarded. If you're wondering, these two, WXJ73. And I found a way to get pretty clear signal. Put rechargeables in it and put them next to a window. Boom. That's your recipe for getting WXJ73 when you're in Sterling, Illinois. This is on KZZ55. Had to have something on my local station, so I went with my handheld. And the Tornado Watch was the first alert on this new radio. I got this radio on September 6th. It is November 10th. And I just now got my first weather-related alert on this thing. Just now. This will be the first EAS compilation, horrible acne, in the new house. I'm here in my new room. I'm going to go ahead and shut this door. As you can see behind me, I've got the WR120EZ, the CL100, and the EH55 VP, which is more like an HH54 version 16. Because it does not have the new codes, Midland. Okay. So I'm already getting bombarded. Already gotten a Tornado Watch and 2 SVRs. Well, technically 2 TOAs and 3 SVRs because some of those were on different stations. But if I go ahead and reverse this. These two are on WXJ73. I've said that a couple times already. But I just thought I'd remind you again. And I have them next to the window. So, how to get WXJ73? Put 2 radios next to a window. Boom. That's how you do it. This is on KZZ55 because it can't pick up the Quad Cities for some reason. Don't know why. But I don't really care. So as you can see, I got weather.com up since I'm not buying that GX radar or whatever it is. I've got the SPC's website. It's still a slight risk, but there's a 5% tornado and we have a Tornado Watch. It just doesn't make any sense. I've got DVN and IAMBot. So, how to have a weather setup. IAMBot, DVN, or your local weather, or your local office, SPC, some sort of radar, and radios. That's all you gotta have to have a beginner's weather setup. That's all. And by the way, the last time I had a tornado watch, it was May 23rd, when a tornado warning just barely missed us. I think everything just barely missed us that time. Storms love to miss Sterling. Can you tell? Well, the last few times. Got a tornado warning. Let me see what's this. There it is. Tornado warning. It's not going to go on in this. Oh, it is! Tornado warning!
Tornado warning for East Central Rock Island County, Southwestern Whiteside County, Northwestern Henry County until 3 p.m. At 2:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Canona or near East Moline, moving northeast at 50 miles an hour. Expected hazards include tornado. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely.
This thing is so loud.
This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of East Central Rock Island, southwestern Whiteside, and northwestern Henry counties, including the following locations: Silvis Heights, Barstow, Hillsdale, Carbon Cliff, Green River, Shady Beach, Jocelyn, Rock Island County Fairgrounds, and Dayton. This includes the following highways: Interstate 80 in Illinois between mile markers 1 and 12. Interstate 74 in Illinois between mile markers 9 and 15. Interstate 88 between mile markers 1 and 13.
Henry Rock Island.
Take cover now.
That's that one.
A tornado warning has been issued until 3
What's this?
p.m. for the following counties: in Illinois, Henry, Rock Island, and Whiteside.
That's this. That's this. I think CL100s are built to be extremely loud every time there's a tornado warning. I would think it's this system. Crap.
Thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:45 p.m. for the following counties: in Illinois, Henry and Mercer. A tornado warning has been issued until 3 p.m. for the following counties: in Illinois.
This is chaotic already. What do you want? It's a report out of Moline. There was actually a report out of Quad City Airport of a wind gust of 64 miles an hour, measured by the ASOS, however that is. Reports gust of 56 knots or 64.4 miles per hour out of the southwest. That's out of Moline. Continues SVR for Henry, McDonough, Mercer, Warren. I gotta make lunch. Oh my. There it is right there. There's the one we just got. It's this one. That's, and I need to refresh this.
At 2:27 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Princeton to near Warner, moving northeast at 60 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Expect damage to roofs, siding,
and the EH here is just silent. What? Oh my god. Is it an alert? How am I supposed to know the thing's frozen? Nope, it's a report out of Moline. Again. That's this. That's this. I think. This is the tornado storm, I think. Yep, it's somewhere in this vicinity. I think it's time for me to go make lunch and then get interrupted. SVR for Carol Whiteside.
Thunderstorm warning for Whiteside County in northwestern Illinois, southeastern Carroll County in northwestern Illinois, southeastern Clinton County in east central Iowa until 3:30 p.m. At 2:30 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Clinton to near Atkinson, moving northeast at 60 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Trenton, Sterling, Rock Falls,
Of course. I mean, of course, right? Really? You're gonna do this to me?
Linden, Chadwick, Low Moor, Coley, and Air Grove. This includes Interstate 88 between mile markers 14 and 44. Tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for northwestern Illinois and east central Iowa.
Until 8 p.m. for northwestern Illinois and east central Iowa.
Somehow those finished early. Those finished first.
On the lowest floor of a sturdy building.
For eastern Rock Island, southwestern Whiteside, central
Severe thunderstorm warning in effect until 2:25 p.m.
Continuing to do me dirty. Carol Whiteside and Clinton.
Moving northeast at 60 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include...
Let's see here. Has it come up on here yet? Should be around here. Yep, there's the one we just got. SVR for us. And there's that tornado warning that we got earlier. Let's see. Tornado possible. I'm done. Another one.
Therefore, the warning has been canceled. However, gusty winds are still possible with this thunderstorm.
It'll probably come up on here first.
Has been canceled. However, gusty winds are still possible with this thunderstorm.
A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for northwestern Illinois.
SVR.
Thunderstorm warning for eastern Henry County, western Bureau County, until 3:30 p.m. At 2:40 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located
In Henry County in northwestern Illinois, western Bureau County in north central
Expired
Illinois
this one.
until 3:30 p.m. At 2:40 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles south of Erie to Galva, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage.
We're under a severe thunderstorm warning? No, they're under a severe
Locations
thunderstorm.
impacted include Kiwanee, Geneseo, Galva, Walnut, Gwinnett, Atkinson, Shenville, Anaheim, Tinsmore, Hoopo, Neponset, Georgetown, Manlius, Mineral,
north central and northwestern Illinois.
New Bedford,
Take cover now.
and Kiwanee Municipal Airport. This includes Interstate 80 in Illinois between mile markers 21 and 54. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for north central and northwestern Illinois. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest
Really?
law enforcement.
They're doing this to me again.
They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in the Quad Cities. Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lee County in north central Illinois, Ogle County in north central Illinois until 4 p.m.
I didn't even see this one.
At 2:47 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Fairhaven to Brevetts down to Kiwanee,
I'll fix
moving
that.
northeast
I'll
at
clean
60
that later.
miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour with gusts.
Se-
Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage.
Crap.
Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Dixon, Byron, Oregon.
As soon as I go downstairs, man, every time.
Forreston, Stillman
There it
Valley,
is.
Franklin Grove, Ashton, Lost Nation, Sublette.
As soon as I go downstairs, man, every time.
Grand Detour, Nelson, Harmon, Woodland Shores, Adeline, and Baileyville. Including the following Interstate 88 between mile markers 45 and 70. This includes Castle Rock State Park, Lee County Fairgrounds, Loudon State Park, Ogle County Fairgrounds,
Let's go back inside.
Valley College, and White Pine State Park. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for north central Illinois.
A lot of state parks in there.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Okay. Tornado warning for Carroll and Whiteside.
The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a tornado warning for north central Whiteside County in northwestern Illinois, southeastern Carroll County in northwestern Illinois until 3:30 p.m.
No.
At 2:54 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Coletta or near Morrison, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, weather spotters reported funnel cloud.
Wait.
Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Coletta around 3 p.m. Milledgeville around 3:05 p.m.
Oh, looks like it's gonna mess.
Other locations impacted
Oh,
by
it's
the
missing.
tornadic thunderstorm included Malvern, Franklin Corners, White Pigeon, and Carroll County
It's
Fairgrounds.
missing.
Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service
That was a scare.
has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Whiteside County in northwestern Illinois.
Man, we just missed us.
In northwestern Illinois, southwestern Clinton County.
Let's see, there it is right there.
Until 3:30 p.m. At 2:38 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along
Refresh this, see where it is. Alright, there's a tornado warning for, who was it?
Source, radar indicated.
Who was it?
Expect damage to
Don't even know.
siding, entries.
For Fulton Stark, Peoria, I believe.
Sterling, Rock,
It's somewhere in here. That's the SVR.
Fulton, Prophetstown, Erie,
It's not showing up yet.
Garden Plain, Milledgeville, Fairhaven, Albany, Tampico, Sheffield,
DVN issues tornado warning.
Littlemore, Coletta, and Deer Grove. This includes
Skies are getting pretty dark.
14 and 24. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for northwestern Illinois.
It comes up brighter on the camera than it does. That window shut. Window shade is shut.
A room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.
It's coming up brighter on the camera than it is in real life right now.
Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lee County in north.
We just hope that storm is missing us. Trying to hope it misses us.
At 2:47 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along
Still not seeing it on here.
near Fairhaven to Prophetstown to Kiwami, moving northeast at 60 miles.
I think it's gonna miss us. Because if it's hitting Colita, then it's probably gonna miss.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and
I'm
outbuildings.
still not hearing any sirens yet.
Locations impacted include Dixon, Byron, Oregon, Mount Morris, Amboy, Polo,
There it is. Yeah, it's missing.
Valley, Franklin Grove, Ashton, Lost Nation, Summit,
There it is. That's what we just got.
River, Grand Detour, Nelson, Harmon, Woodland Shores, Adelaide, and Baileyville. Impact.
It's actually blowing right now. Let's see if I can get a more clear view.
Damage is likely to mobile homes.
See if I can get a more clear view. Holy crap! Those winds, though! Holy mother of... Oh my gosh! Where are they? Oh my word! Look at that! I should not be recording this stuff.
Where's your brother? Where's your brother? Where's your brother?
Upstairs. That's now that, ladies and gentlemen, is torrential downpour. Well, I can't go out there, so this is the best I can do. See if I can go back up. See what else we've got going on. See if there's anything new on weather.gov. This rain is insane. If there are no flash flood warnings in this Valerie has not come alive yet.
Milledgeville, or 12 miles southeast of Mount Carroll, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour.
Sterling Rock Falls.
Tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying.
There's that tornado warning that's just to the northwest.
Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northern Whiteside.
There it is, guys. That's what we're in right now. So let's look at future. No, I'm not gonna look at future. Alright, let's look at DVN. There's that tornado warning that we saw earlier. SVR, the most recent one was Leonogle. I could possibly get a couple more if these storms continue to move. Well, they've canceled the tornado warning. Thank God. We're good. SVR for
The
Stevenson.
National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Stevenson County until 4 p.m. At 3:19 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Freeport to Mount Morris, moving northeast at 50 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Freeport, Davis, German Valley, Lidon, Alberta, and Stevenson County Fairgrounds. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for northwestern Illinois.
Take cover now.
Well, I lied.
Eastern Lee County in north central Illinois. Eastern Logan County in north central Illinois.
Eastern Lee County, Eastern Ogle County, Delaware County, Winnebago County, Boone County,
Until 4:30 p.m. At 3:19 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near German Valley to near Mount Warren to near Walnut, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated.
Little double header action.
Expect considerable tree damage.
Locations impacted include Rockford, DeKalb, Belvedere, Loves Park, McAfee Park, Sycamore, Roscoe, Rochelle, South Beloit, Brockton, Poplar Grove, Genoa, Shabona, Rockford Airport, Candlewick Lake, Cortland, Cherry Valley, Winnebago, Davis Junction, and Pecatonica, including the following interstates: I-39 between mile.
So the worst of that last storm just passed. What?
I-88 between mile markers 1 and 100. I-90 between mile markers 1 and 31.
Here we go, Bureau Putnam.
Interstate 90 between mile markers 1 and 31.
Rockford Rivet Baseball, Rockford Speedway, and Winnebago County.
State Park, Rockford, Tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for north central and northeastern Illinois. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. North central and northeastern Illinois. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
That was not going for some reason.
The severe thunderstorm warning for
That's
Whiteside and southeastern Carroll
counties will expire at 3:30 p.m.
it's not coming through for some reason.
Storms which prompted the warning have weakened below severe limits and have exited the warned area.
I'm not getting that one.
Therefore, the warning will be
I should.
allowed to expire. However, gusty winds are still possible with these thunderstorms. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for north central and northwestern Illinois.
There it is.
The National Weather Service.
I don't know why I shut this one down.
Severe thunderstorm warning.
That's on me.
Putnam County in north central Illinois, Bureau County in north central Illinois until 4 p.m. At 3:21 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Walton to near Wyanett to Camp Grove, moving east at 35 miles.
Wyanett.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar.
Man, I'm getting the.
Expect
Yeah, I lied. I thought that was all.
Locations impacted include Princeton, Hennepin, Spring Valley, Henry, Depew, Granville, Walnut, Ladd, Gwinnett, Tuskegee, Lamoille, Dolville, Bureau Junction, McMath, Putnam, Mark, Ohio, Cherry, Malden, and Seatonville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 80 in Illinois between mile markers 40.
Little triple header action.
Interstate 180 between mile markers 1 and 13. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for north central Illinois. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.
Tornado warning.
The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a tornado warning for central Putnam County in
Get it
north
on
central
all of them.
Illinois, southeastern Bureau County in north central Illinois.
Get it on all of them.
Until 4:15 p.m. At 3:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Henry or near Hennepin, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour.
Hazard, tornado.
Source: radar indicated
Rotation. Impact. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs.
Man, these all have tornado tags on them. Like, oh my god.
Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Bureau Junction around 3:45 p.m. Hennepin, Depew, and Granville around 3:50 p.m. Spring Valley around 3:55 p.m. Other locations impacted
Other
by
storms
the
are
tornado
there?
thunderstorm include Seatonville, Knoxville, Putnam,
Pretty much this
Spring
entire
Valley,
area
Mark,
is what we can
Colorado,
get. This entire area.
Hollowayville, Florida's Lone Tree Corners. This includes the following highways: Interstate 80 in Illinois between mile markers marker 64 and 69. Interstate 180 between mile markers 1 and 10. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy...
What? Updates tornado watch. Cancels Carol. We're out of the tornado watch.
In a mobile home or in a vehicle, move to the
That's for Bureau of Putnam.
shelter and protect yourself from flying
Is this
debris.
my sweater?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're uncomfortable.
E.
Tornado
You like
watch
my
number
soaking wet
505 has
No.
been canceled, which includes the following counties.
So the tornado watch been canceled for Carol, Henry, Joe Daisies, and Whiteside. Conceros, Bureau of Putnam, Stevenson.
Yeah, these boxes are so comfortable.
Eastern Lee County in north central Illinois.
Yeah, there's the tornado warning that just came up.
Central Illinois. DeKalb County in north central Illinois. Winnebago County
MKX just sent an SVR. That one right there.
North central Illinois.
Does it have a TOR tag?
At 3:19
Let's take a look. See if it has a tornado tag.
Storms were located along a line extending from near German Valley to near Mount Morris to near Walnut, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour.
It does.
Hazard 70 miles per hour wind
It
gusts.
does have a TOR tag.
Source radar indicated. Impact. Expect considerable tree damage.
I'm just glad we didn't lose power. Alright, let's see.
And outbuildings.
Will Freeport get that channel?
Locations impacted include
Or
Rockford, DeKalb, Belvedere, Loves Park, McChesney Park, Sycamore, Roscoe, Rochelle.
Will Freeport get it? My guess is that it won't.
Butler Grove, Genoa, Sheboygan,
Green, Lafayette,
Candlewick Lake, Portland,
Rock, Walworth. So no.
Davis Junction, and Pecatonica.
I'd need KZZ 57, and I've had all the trouble in the world trying to get it. Like, oh my god. I'm also keeping my eye on this MCD that came out not too long ago. Came out at, what was it? 3:30? It's 3:46. I'll be eyeing that. And I'm also eyeing one storm that came out of MKX. This one right here for Rock and Walworth. I've got my CL100 up there. When really it should be this, but I'm keeping this one. That on KZZ 55. Let's see what's this one on at the moment.
Source.
KZZ 55. I think I'll keep these on KZZ 55 for the time being. If something comes up, I'm watching for a tornado warning. I've gotten quite a bit today. I don't know how many warnings I've gotten. I'll have to go back and count. There's my CL100 up there. Usually it's over there. It's not. TOR just came up. No, it's an SVR.
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for LaSalle County until 4:45 p.m.
What'd I say?
At 3:47 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Emily to near distance to Henry, moving east at
That's still on KZZ 57, by the way.
expected hazards include 70 miles an hour wind gusts and vehicles 5 here. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Ottawa, Peter, Montreal, Mendota, Marseilles, Sheridan, Lake Holiday, Torrential, North Utica, Serena, Winema, Leland, Tonka, Grand Ridge, Maplate, and Millington, including the following interstates: I-39 between mile
I was
markers
actually able to get
41
these
and
two
77.
over. I could not get that one. It was too late.
And 102. This includes Buffalo Rock State
No!
Allegheny State Park, Illinois Valley Community
SVR for Kane and McHenry. No chance, though.
Rock State Park, and Tri-County Fairgrounds.
I can't get that one for Kane and
Tornado
McHenry.
watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for central, north central, and northeastern Illinois.
Oh my god.
For your protection, move
Report out of
to your
Byron.
room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Putnam County, northeastern Bureau County, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:57 p.m., severe
Again.
located along
What in the world?
Henry, moving east at 55 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Spring Valley, Henry,
Spring Valley,
Granville,
Henry,
Ladd,
Granville,
Lenoir,
Ladd.
Dalzell, McNabb, Mark.
Nope, can't put it there.
Standard, Arlington, Spring Valley Airport, and Florida.
Those ones are still on standby.
Includes Interstate 80 in Illinois between mile markers 70 and 72. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for north central Illinois. Take cover now.
SVR.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a
Severe thunderstorm warning for.
Kendall County in northeastern Illinois.
That's this.
Central Illinois. King County in northeastern Illinois until 5:30
Pain.
At 4:10 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Paw Paw to 6 miles south of Glendale to Tonka.
Paw
moving
Paw.
northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour.
70
winds and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings.
Still no tornado warning for Rock and Walworth yet.
Include Aurora, Joliet, Elgin, DeKalb, Bartlett, Plainfield, Carpentersville, St. Charles, Oswego,
Carpentersville.
West Chicago, Batavia, Hunley, Geneva, Sycamore, Yorkville, Canton Hills, Minooka, Plano, and Sandwich. Including the following interstates.
The lights just
Interstate
dimmed.
80 between mile markers 120 and 122. Interstate 88 between mile markers 84 and 120. Interstate 90 between mile markers 42 and 56. This includes Northern Illinois University, Sandwich Fairgrounds, Aurora University, Elgin Community College, Fermilab, Illinois Math and Science Academy, King County Cougars Ballpark, and Waubonsee Community College. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for north central and northeastern Illinois. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Well, MK. Interrupting me again. Oh, come on. See if I can get some of these on WXL22. At least this one. At least this one. There it is.
Service has issued a tornado warning
There we
for
go.
northeastern Wisconsin County until 4:45 p.m.
We're good.
At 4:18 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 7 miles west of Serena, or 8 miles north of Ottawa, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. Expected hazards include tornado. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur.
I think we're in the clear.
Tree damage is likely. This
Dangerous storm will be near.
Serena around 4:25 p.m.
No siren
Cleveland
again.
around 4:30 p.m.
I've really been on the wrong station.
Sheridan and Lake Holiday around 4:35 p.m. Selma Knock around 4:40 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Harding, Prairie Center, and Millington. Take cover now. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following county: LaSalle, Illinois.
Well, now MKX put out a tornado warning for Racine and Walworth. I thought I would get it, but turns out KZZ 57 Rockford doesn't pick up those counties. Let's see. TOR for Racine and Walworth. Tornado warning for LaSalle. I got that not too long ago. I think that's gonna be all. I mean, I keep saying that and then I get something else. SVR again.
Severe thunderstorm warning for Livingston County in central Illinois. Southeastern LaSalle.
Once again, had to rush, so no siren.
Eastern Illinois until 5:45 p.m.
Literally, when I say things are quieting down, I get something else every time.
Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Ottawa to near Minonk to near Minier, moving east at 40 miles an hour. These storms have a history of producing wind damage. Expected hazards include 70 miles an hour wind gusts. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Ottawa,
Milwaukee.
Geneva, Pontiac, Minooka, Coal City, Marseilles, Seneca, Chinoa, Park, Gridley, Flanagan, Odell, Magon, South Streeter, Brakefield, and Granville. 55 between mile markers 188 and 232. I-80 between mile markers 88 and 120. This includes Gaylordwood State Park, Grundy County Speedway and Fairgrounds, Alani State Park, and William G. Stratton State Park. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for central, north central, and northeastern Illinois. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.